This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kadisha DeVoe. Welcome to this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-family home in the heart of Tamarac. Featuring a split floor plan, this home offers spacious privacy with generously sized bedrooms. The updated kitchen features modern finishes perfect for cooking and entertaining. Enjoy peace of mind with updated electrical and a 2025 roof, adding both safety and value. Step outside to your private oasis, an expansive tiled area in the backyard ideal for weekend relaxation. Located just minutes from the beach, downtown Fort Lauderdale, Olas Boulevard, along with easy access to I-95, as well as nearby grocers, top-rated restaurants, this home offers convenience and charm. For more information,